It's me, Tia Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. If you're not subscribed to the channel right now is the time to subscribe. Make sure your notification bell is on so anytime I upload in this thing, you are alerted. So y'all been waiting on this video for a hot minute. You like, girl, talk about the SAS. Talk about the SAS. I'm like, girl, hold on, my job working me like it ain't no tomorrow, okay? But I have a few minutes right now, so I'm recording this video for you guys. So Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale, it starts June 14th. So that's the first piece of information. You need to know the date. The date. Can I talk today? It's June 14th. That's the first day of the sale. Now, peep this. The coupons that we have expire on the 13th. So the coupons do not have a grace period that we currently have. So you have a coupon that expires on June 13th. Girlfriend, guy friend, go ahead and use that coupon before June the 13th, because it ain't gonna be no good on the 14th when this sale begins, okay? So I'm hoping another set of coupons are coming out. If new coupons have dropped, let me know in the comments below that have a date after June 14th. I'm hoping everyone gets the one in the mail that says you get 10 off 30, because you know sometimes they used to do the 10 off 30, or they used to do the 10 off 40, and it would come with the mailer in your mailbox. But I really hate that they didn't put, because they keep giving these out. Why not have the bounce back coupon on this? They don't do the bounce back coupons no more. I really wish they would come back with the bounce back coupon, because it would have been cool if it would have been a bounce back coupon on these instead of just wasting the paper. This is just a waste of paper, because we're going to throw this out. We all know it's coming. Tell us about it in store with a big old sign and save all this paper. This is not necessary, but we're not here to talk about that, okay? We're here to talk about SAS. And yes, I will be recording on location daily. So SAS videos on the channel. This is going to be SAS Network. You're going to get at least 2 to 3 videos a day on the semi-annual sale, different locations. I have at least 8 to 9 locations I can go to. 8 to 9. Okay, so you'll get a CNN in the morning, you'll get it on location, then you'll get a haul. Okay, so that's going to be the whole time the sale's going on. So get excited, get pumped about that. I'm like, I don't even know how I'm going to fit this in my schedule, but we about to figure this out. We're going to figure it out, guys. Now, what should you get? Like, what should you get? Like, 75% off, of course. That's the main thing that you want to go for. What's going to be 75% off? I don't know. I don't know yet. I don't know what they're going to put at 75% off. You know, they change it all the time. And as we saw with the last sale, 75% off wasn't that great in the beginning. They did majority of things 50% off, and you had to wait for it to go 75% off. So patience is key when it comes to this sale. That's one of the things I would say, top of the list. Have patience. If you really, really want something, buy that 50% off. Hope it goes on sale for 75% within the 2-week period, and then go back in there with your receipt and do an exchange. Well, not exchange, but you could do a price adjustment that way. If you just gotta have it right then and there. But I say wait, because when you're patient and you wait, you'll get you some better products. You know what I mean? At a better rate. You'll get the products, but you'll get it at a better rate if you're a little bit more patient. But I know a lot of times we don't want to be patient. We want it here, now. Give it to me. It needs to be on sale now. And it doesn't always happen that way. So I would say patience is key with this one. The next thing I will roll out to you guys. There are some new collections that are going to be coming out. I don't know the price point of them. You would think when they come out, they would roll in at the $3.95, but Bath & Body Works has been doing increase after increase after increase. I don't even think it's going to be like a $3.95. I think it's going to be like a $4.95 or a $5.95. This is just me thinking out loud, okay? Thinking out loud, okay? Y'all don't know that song, okay? But that's just me thinking out loud that it ain't going to be the $3.95, but I might get surprised, and it is the $3.95. When it comes to 3-wick candles, especially these new collections that's going to be dropping, I really don't believe they're going to be on sale like for the low. I really think they're going to try probably like a $10 off the candles, or this $15.95 agenda they're pushing. You'll probably see a lot of that. Like seeing candles 75% off, you know it's going to be there. The tester candles are going to be 75% off. That happens quite often. But 3-wick candles... 3-wick candles are hard to come by 75% off. So if you see them, grab them quick, because the 75% off 3 wicks are very hard to come by. So if you see them, grab them up. As far as budget, how much do you want to spend for the sale? I can't tell you how much to spend with your pocket showing. I know for myself, I'm trying to budget only 120, but I laugh at that because I just know me. Like, as the sale goes, I'm gonna be like, ooh, 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 ooh. Then if they get the wallflowers at 75% off, ooh, ooh, like I already know. Like, it's just like, give yourself a good base point of where you want to spend, but don't overspend. Don't go into debt for a sale. A sale is not a sale if you can't afford it. You know what I mean? So if you can't afford it, don't do it. And if you're going to do it, go through Ibotta, get gift cards. Okay, go through Ibotta, get gift cards. Go through Rakuten, get gift cards. That way you already have your set budgets already there. Plus you're getting cash back for that gift card. So that'll leave more money to you to play with. Okay, so I'll leave those links for you guys below. So that's my thought on budget. Just stay within your budget. Some people don't go to these sales and be like, oh my God, I gotta get 20 body washes. But some of us, we're crazy like that. I don't know who that someone is, but some of y'all are just crazy like that. And you'll go in there and then next thing you know, you're $300-400 in and you're like, what the heck? But I'm trying to be very smart this time with the sale, and just there's so many different locations, so many different things to see. I just want to be very smart about it. Now, like inside the page, Daily Finds. If you don't check her out, you definitely need to. She has a blog spot as well. And with the blog spot, she went over some things that are going to be coming out. So I want to go over some of the body care that's interesting to me that's coming out. The first thing is Candy Violet Sorbet. Okay, Candy Violet Sorbet is sugar violet petals, vanilla sorbet, and blackberry swirl. I am so excited about this one. Like, that is at the top of my list, is this one. Then they have champagne sprinkles, sparkling champagne, raspberry icing, rainbow sprinkles. Definitely need that one. And honeysuckle peach tea is honeysuckle blooms, juicy peaches, sweet tea. I think the honeysuckle blooms is going to turn me off. But I say that now, and then I'll go and try it out. And I'm like, oh my God, it's so amazing. Y'all know how I do. So I can't really speak yay or nay on that one. But, I'll go spray it and see what it do. We have Beachfront Blanket coming back. Yes, it's called, this body care, it's supposed to be called the American Summer. So Beachfront Blanket coming back. It's a must for the list. Can we just do the wish list with it too? Or no, that'll be a separate video. I'll have a wish list video coming soon. Okay, but Beachfront Blanket, they got the Boardwalk Taffy. Okay, we got Coastal Hydrangeas. Yeah. We have Watermelon Lemonade. A new one, Strawberry Soda. I'm excited about Strawberry Soda. Mango Mai Tai finally is coming in a body care for us. We got Fresh Coconut Colada. Cherry Limeade. I'm ecstatic to try Cherry Limeade as well. They have Twilight, what is that? Twinkling Nights coming back. Little Black Party Dress. Triple Berry Martini. I haven't heard of that before, so I'm interested in Triple Berry Martini. The other ones have been out before and they always go 75%, so I'm hoping these will be 75% off the jump. They have a Fruit Fizz line that's coming out for the candles. So it has Black Cherry Merlot, Pink Apple Punch, Peach Bellini, Island Margarita, and we have Bought for Sale Decor. And that will have Hibiscus Waterfall, Cactus Blossom, Eucalyptus Rain, Rosewater, and Ivy. We have the Stress Relief coming back. We have a line called Chasing Sunshine, okay? Has Black Cherry Fruit Pop. Need that. Ocean Driftwood. I'm not supposed to be telling y'all what I want. I'm already messing up the video. They have Mint Chocolate Chip Milkshake, Watermelon Lemonade, Limoncello, Palm Tree in Paradise, and Sunshine Daydream. Say that 10 times fast, okay? Cherry Blossoms getting a makeover. Pink Chiffon will be getting a makeover. Love and Sunshine will be back. Dark Kiss and Cucumber Melon. Cucumber Melon is getting a makeover. So that will be at the sale as well. So I'm really excited about it. I'm really excited about the sale and what it has to offer. Main things that I'll be going for is just things that are new, things that I already have in my collection. I don't need 20 different packages of it. I really don't. And I say that, and then here I'm going to be in the store like, oh, but it's a new packaging. But I need to stop doing that. See, I can admit where I fault. Okay, I can admit my faults. Okay, can you? Okay, so I'm really excited about the sale. No big price points have been brought yet. I'm trying to look to make sure I saw everything. So yeah, that's everything. No big price points have been brought out yet. Like, what's the price points for this, this, and this? No one's talking on that yet, but we still have time. It doesn't start to June the 14th. I'm excited about the sale either way it goes. I have some things that I really want to try out. And when they had that last sale over the weekend, I got my stuff that I can do my little exchange thing with. So that's really going to be helpful to me, so I can try out the items sooner rather than later. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, basically giving you a breakdown of what's going to be at the SAS, when it starts, as far as what will get you the most bang for your buck. Of course, the 75% off items if you can be patient and wait for them. I always would say go to multiple stores. That's another thing. Always go to multiple stores. Do not just go to one store unless one store is available in your area. How will it go online? The trend has been for the last 3 to 4 semi-annual sales, online has been garbage. Like the last 3 or so, 50% off was what you was really getting up until the end. So will online change this time and be bomb? I highly doubt it. I doubt online is going to give us what we need. I really think you're going to have to go into the store. And for the people that just don't want to go into the store, I don't know what to tell you. You're going to have to wait until it goes 75% off. And as we've seen previous years, previous SASs, that it's taken a long time to go 75% off for the clearance. So I'm really excited to see what's going to go 75% off. It starts June the 14th once again. So that morning, I'm probably going to take an hour off from work. I'm going to go ahead and put in a request for it. That way I'm at the store when it first opens, so I can hit up a few stores for you guys and just start to show you what the bins are showing. And more than likely, of course, they're probably not going to be in bins because, you know, just because of for cleanliness, and we don't want to spread any viruses. Plus, I didn't like the bins anyway. And the reason why I didn't like the bins, because things spilt in, it got nasty, got gooey. So I like that they have it all set up nice and cute, because I can see the product, grab what I need and keep it moving versus digging through bins. So I kind of like that they don't have the bins anymore. Don't tell nobody, but I'm happy about that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. Any more information you want to know, let me know below. If you have any more questions about SAS, I'll make a part 2 because we got plenty of time, because it doesn't start to June 14th. Go ahead and leave me your questions below. I'll do a part 2. Plus, I'll have my wish list video coming for you guys as well. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.